Welcome everybody to a mega huge What's Moving with D. I'm D and I'm here to tell you what's moving. We're going to do this in reverse order today, guys, because we got too much stuff on the table. Right off the bat, we got an Olivier Zippo lighter. Look at that. That's gorgeous. $75. Those are very collectible. Back here on the back, these are these Marvel collector's boxes. Little short box with Conan all over it. Yeah, that's over $55. Insane. Over here, R.L. Stine book, $7.99 for The Beast. Erotic Universalis. I don't know what that is, but $39.99. Star Wars Jedi Academy Attack of the Journal. I'm guessing that's a journal. $9.99. The Guide to Life, Bart Simpson, $9.99. Star Wars Allegiances, $19.99, hardcover by Timothy Zahn. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. This is one of the first edition U.S. versions. $7.99 on that one. Marvel Masterworks Golden Age All Winners Volume 2, $19.72. Thank you, Marvel, for clearancing those to retailers instead of dumping them at Ollie's. Ex Infernus hardcover. I love this cover by Finch. $64.99. Strange Science, Virgil Finley's Strange Science, $99.99 for that hardcover. Sorcerer's Scrapbook by Michael Bernstein. That's Berenstain Bears, I think. $34.99 on that one. September 11, 2001, a kind of a book journal of all the stuff, I guess. $9.99 on that one. Vampire's Christmas by Joseph Michael Linsner, $7.99. I didn't know Linsner did that one. And here's Alberto Vargas, big hardcover book of Vargas painting, $69.99. Star Wars. There's more Star Wars over there too. Here we go. We got a Super Battle Droid. We got Anakin slicing and dicing one of those Nemoidian things. I don't know what those are. Geonosian, sorry. I'm going to get comment about that. Royal Guard, right there. And another battle droid right there. Lots of excitement. $18.99 for the Anakin 2-pack. $7.99 for the Royal Guard. $14.99 for the battle droid. And $15.99 for the super battle droid. Over here next, we got a Japanese Transformer. I don't know what it is, but it went for $65, sold. Beanie Babies. What does the fox say? Bop, 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 bop. Let's see. What does the fox say? Oh, don't hit me. $13.99. Here's a little dog. $14.99. Tie Beanie Baby on that one as well. And the Italian bear. Oh, Mamma Mia. Or maybe that's Mexico. I don't know flags. I don't. $9.99 on that bear. Over here. Guys, how many of you remember this? When you said, hey, Mom, I want R2-D2. And they went to the store and they brought home this little tiny Robbie the Robot thing that looks kind of like R2-D2. These were 99 cents at one point by Tomy. We're getting $40 for them right now. Let's put that up there. We got a, boy, we have so much stuff that sold over the weekend, guys. $50 for this Chun-Li Capcom figure. Over here, we got a Venom molded mug. It's got a mug and I think his tongue is the handle there. $14.99. I think that was a Loot Crate item as well. Here's Van Halen live right here, right now. $8.99. That's Van Hagar. Quit calling it Van Halen. The Wild Thornberries, $14.99 DVD. Physical media, people. I've been telling you this. Physical media. It's the next big wave. 1, 2. PlayStation's Greatest Hits. Soul Calibur 2, $17.99. Magic Mike sealed, $7.99. Channing Tatum right there. Who else? Oh, Matthew McConaughey's in that too. I've never seen it, but, you know, I hear chicks dig it. Dr. Julian Bashar, $24.99. Star Trek. Here's, yes, the Mustafar panning droid. All the excitement you can have with a panning droid. $13.99 on that one. Webkinz Back to School Essentials. I'm going to put that over here. $29.99. Here's Black Cat from Marvel Select. We're going to have all this stuff collapse on me in about 5 seconds. $45.99. And then up here, this has been open and it's missing the Asajj Ventress, and I just let it go for 18 bucks. Went way too cheap, but I just wanted it gone. It takes up too much space and it confuses people. So we just let it go at 18 bucks on eBay. Over here, Kiss Car, $14.99 for the Johnny Lightning Kiss. Here is, oh God, Gazgano the Pit Droid. Oh, with Pit Droid, $7.99. All right. Here's a Rey, Black Series Rey with BB-8, no lightsaber, $19.99. Over here, we got a Joker, Imaginext Easter egg from God knows how long ago, $19.99. I found that in the box, and I was like, yeah, get rid of that thing. Jeez. Here we go. I can't even read what game that is. Nintendogs, $7.99 for that DS game right there. Betrayal on Bespin with a Boba Fett and a Darth Vader. And all of those, Han, Leia, and Chewie. $69.99. Star Wars Unleashed. Tons of Star Wars today. Stormtrooper. That went for $44.99. And then here's another mug, Mr. Meeseeks from Rick and Morty, $29.99. And guys, look at this. This is insane. More physical media. Bum, bum, bum. Fantasia, 60th anniversary edition, $7.99. Family double feature, Scooby-Doo 1 and 2, Blu-ray, $8.99. Dungeons and Dragons, oh my God. This should come with a warning label. That movie was horrible. $8.99. When Harry Met Sally, this used to be, kids, this used to be what you played on a first date just to, woo women, because chicks dug this movie, and it's pretty good for guys to watch too. $7.99. Wolf with Nicholson and Pfeiffer. He turns into a werewolf. Spoiler alert. $29.99 though, guys. Must be out of print. Speaking of out of print, this is one of the hottest DVDs to get because, there's a company involved with this movie that people don't want to talk about. Miramax produced this, and Kevin Smith has to give Harvey Weinstein's legal defense fund money every time. So they just stopped selling it. $32.99 for a DVD. Seriously, guys. Singing in the Rain. Great movie. $7.99. Wild Things. Amazing movie. $7.99. Pink Panther Strikes Again. $24.99. Oh, that's a good movie, too. Here's one that went way too cheap. Dark City. Guys, there's a lot of cult movies in here. If you see these things on DVD, just buy them. Dark City, $9.99. Friday, Chris Tucker, Ice Cube, $9.99 on Friday. South Park, season 18. I don't know if that's sealed or not, but we got $7.99 for it. What the hell? Oh, I found these at okay. So this is a box of 6 ignition coils. I got it at the pallet liquidation, $33.99. And then last but not least over here, this is a Thor's hammer replica, 20 centimeter, actual made of metal. It's very crazy. $29.99. But wait, guys, there's one more big thing. Horrible Hamilton's Invaders. Horrible Hamilton. This is an old, super old toy. Really cool stuff, guys. $1,000 sold in one day. We probably sold it way too cheap in the original box. Next up, comic books. Are you ready, guys? We're only halfway through. Rick and Morty Go to Hell, $9.99. Generation X. I find it in dollar boxes all the time, $9.99. Marvel Comics presents Wolverine number 70, $7.99. Star Wars River of Chaos, 4 of 4, $9.99. Huntress, World's Finest Power Girl, number 9, $7.99. Michael Turner doing Action Comics. Rest in peace, Michael. Gorgeous recreation of just a new version of Superman on Krypton, $7.99 there. Fantastic Four variant, Deadpool variant, $7.99. Batman Confidential, the First League. I don't know what that means. Batman Confidential, $53, $7.99. Amory Wars, Claudio Sanchez, Coed and Cambria, Volume 2, Number 3, $7.99. Science Dog, Number 2, Robert Kirkman, $7.99. X-Men by Yost, First to Last, $7.99. Guys, this is the Wonder World variant right here. It's a pack of all 7 of our variants. Right there, you get all 6 of our mailer variants, plus a checklist variant. $249.99 off of our website. Go over to Wonder World Comics and check that out. While you're there, check out, if you just want the Sith one, bam, $40 on eBay. I think we sell these for about $35 on the website. Once again, another one on eBay, $29.99 for Trailer Park Boys. Only 420 of these in the world, and we're under 100 of these left. $29.99 on eBay. I think they're $25 on the website. Checklist variant by John Tyler Christopher. It's included in the bundle of 7. $14.99 on eBay for that one. Punisher Armory, $39.99 for number 9. That's an incredible. How many of those do you pass up in dollar boxes, guys? How many? Huh? A lot. I know. Start buying them. Avengers 57 Facsimile Edition, $24.99. Savage Avengers number 17, $34.99. Dresden Files number 2, Jim Butcher's Dresden Files, $19.99 for that. That's a good pickup right there. Angel After the Fall cover gallery, $9.99. Pit number 4, $14.99. I think that's Pit versus Evil Pit, I guess. This is a steal. Ultra Force versus Avengers. This is when Marvel bought Malibu and they basically just shoved them all together. $14.99. I think that's going to be a hot book someday. Gorgeous DC Darkseid, $14.99. Deceased number 6, $14.99 is what that sold for. Superman for All Seasons by Jeff Loeb and Tim Sale, $14.99. I can make it to the end here, guys. Harley Quinn Power Girl trade paperback, $15.99. Amazing Spider-Man 101 Facsimile Edition, $19.99. Berserker number 1, $29.99. I don't even know if that, I think that's a regular cover on that one. Milestone Forever number 1, rest in peace, Dwayne McDuffie, $39.99 on that one. Rise of the Midnight Suns Morbius number 1. Guys, pay attention. $44.99 on that one. And last but definitely not least, Amazing Spider-Man, The Parker Luck by Dan Slott and Humberto Ramos. $64.99 for the trade paperback. Isn't that crazy? I looked at it twice myself. I was like, what? Say what? Okay, guys. If you want to see all of this craziness, you can go to wonderworldcomics.com/Amazon, and you're going to see all of our items. Then you can buy something, and you're going to see it right here on another episode of What's Moving with D. I'm D. That's me. I just told you what's moving, and I'll do it again tomorrow. Bye.